Welcome back. We are going to learn about cell styles, and the way for us to understand cell styles is you can create a style that says heading content or something of the sort, and wherever you are in the workbook you can apply the same styles instead of using the format painter. Okay, so the way to do it is, let's say I want to use this same style. I can click on any of these. Okay, so let's just say this is the date style. I want it to be formatted like this in the whole workbook. I just select the cell and then go to home and then go to, sorry, I have to click again for it to open, and then go to cell styles. It's here. Then I say new cell style, and it's given a default cell style. I'll just say date style, or name it whatever. It shows you the number, formatting, alignment, font, border, blah blah blah. It just copies everything, and just click on OK. Now let's assume I have another sheet and I say January 2025 as an example, because the year is 2023. I drag, but it doesn't have the same formatting as here. Beautiful background color, the italic and Calibri body. Okay, it may be having the Calibri body font, but doesn't have a beautiful background color and white font. Okay, so I'm going to select this and just go to home and go to cell styles and look for my style. It's under the custom grouping, so good, bad and neutral, titles and headings, theme. So your custom made styles are going to be here. Then I just click on it. Oh, voila, it has already formatted everything. It's better than going here, select, go to format painter. Once you click on this column, the format painter would have disappeared. Okay, so that's how you are able to use cell styles, and it has a whole range of usage. I've just shown you one of them. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. I'm glad that you've learned about cell styles and the benefit that it gives us, because we are going to use large volumes of sheets and we can move formatting from one sheet to another based on that. See you in the next tutorial. We'll be learning about merging and centering cells. See you then. Bye bye.